Thanks for joining us. This week we are heading down to Tintagel in Cornwall in the middle of Storm Gerret. It's winter, it's rainy, it's wet, and we're getting our van life hustle on. Mud everywhere, water everywhere. Oh, Jesus. It's just dreadful. The van's in a right state. It is just horrible. You know what? There's a lot to be said for hotels. With my life hack for doing pillows, right? So if you turn them inside out and then do them like a duvet, and then you get the corners right in, just like that, just like that. That's my van life hack for you for this week. Van life hustles. I don't like these pillows. These are just the thin ones. I like a nice feathery pillow. Those two I just done there. But there you go. How easy is that? Beautiful. Well, here we go again. Holy moly, it is disgusting out there. So we're in the middle of Storm Gerret. It's the latest one. Thank God I'm not up in Manchester, because apparently they've had a tornado. But we are heading down to Cornwall again. We must be mad. The whole block, the whole area is covered in scaffolding. The roofs are being redone. The contractors have turned all the groundworks into like just quagmire. It's been so wet and miserable. I had to go outside. I had to tie these bucket things to a skip because the builders all fucked off and left this like tube thing that they throw the tiles down into the skip, just left it swinging. So one night we just didn't sleep very well at all, because that was just banging against the scaffolding, blowing backwards and forwards. And I'm like, I'm gonna have to tie that up. So I had to go out there myself, get a bit of rope, tie the thing away from the scaffolding. I've been reloading the van after unloading it to fix the diesel heater, so all the cushions were out, all the mattress was out, everything like that. I didn't want to get diesel on anything, you know, accidents happen. Oh my god. So, and it's been pissing down, absolutely chucking it down, and now we just want to get going. And I'm just waiting for Susie to bring Gizzy down, and then we're done, gone, we're going away, leaving, and potentially never coming back. Have you got an old van like mine, and you have to use like this and this to connect your music, your Spotify, etc., to your old aux cable? Hello, kids running about. Thought I was about to get invaded. Yeah, one of these. Flipping pain in the arse. Honestly, get yourself one of these. It's a Bluetooth aux Wi-Fi thing, and you just stick it in your aux thing and throw that away. It works perfectly. I've tested it. I'm going to put a link in the description if you're interested. I don't have enough followers to be an affiliate yet, so if you do follow the link, I won't earn any money because I'm not popular enough. And if you're watching this in the future, maybe in 10 years' time when we've got a few more followers, then I might be getting paid. After nearly 4 hours of travel, we were rewarded with this.
There's actually quite a number of people here. Weird.
You want my spot, didn't you? Always got my spot. Used to be Truffle's spot, didn't it?
Put her badge in with her bell.
Sits right in the middle.
Pretty girl, aren't you? Pretty girl. Yes, you are.
We survived all that wind last night.
Just
about.
I didn't think I'd sleep.
I didn't sleep very much at all. I think it was too warm for me with the heater on all night.
Yeah.
I think
once we had it on for a couple hours.
Once it's hot.
Have you checked the diesel to see how much you've used?
I didn't want to open the back door and let her escape, but I'll go and have a look in a minute. Guys, we're on a hike down to Merlin's Cave, and up behind us there is Camelot Castle. Got to be careful because I'll probably trip over my own feet.
Or hit your head.
Or hit my head. Well, there's nothing to hit my head on around here. Oh.
Wait for it, you'll find it.
Gives a smile, Susie. Oh, hang on. Oh, there you are. There you are. We made it to Tintagel in the winter. And now we're walking down this very steep slope with all the other tourists. And this wind is blowing my beard all over the place. I look like Father Christmas gone wrong. There she is. Well, didn't fancy a shower then. Guys, how epic is that?
It's nice, yeah, it's nice.
But now we've got to get all the way back up there. the people want to hear what happened.
Well, when you were bending down to, I think, was taking a picture or video, there's 3 teenagers right behind you. And literally, Bill just cracked. Honestly. They weren't laughing.
And they didn't even laugh.
No, but I think they were busy chatting. You may have just gotten away with it. It was epic crack.
Right, time to get my crack up that hill. Made it halfway. So I went for a medical recently. The doctor told me that I've got to take my blood pressure for a week. Because at the medical I was 170 over 140, which apparently is really high. But the doctor came out to see me because he was so worried because it was so high. So I had to buy my own testing machine on Amazon. And now I have to do my blood pressure for a whole week in the morning and in the evening whilst I'm on the medication and see if it's making a difference. And you're supposed to do it 5 minutes in silence, sitting comfortably, 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, 2 minutes between each one, which actually works out to 6 minutes, so that's a lie. They say 5 minutes, but it's 6 minutes. And you're supposed to do it in total silence. So I'm going to press the button, say goodbye. You have to do it 3 times. It'll be really boring for you. And yeah, so there you go. We'll see how it goes.
If you're liking any of our videos so far, please consider subscribing.
139 over 103.
See if we can get that blood pressure down a bit.
Good stuff. Well, you know what? They say behind every good man is a great woman. I reckon behind every hypertension is 5 daughters, exes, ex-wives, cheaters. There we go. That's not bad, is it? 139 over 103. See what the doctor says when they get a week's worth. Hey, pretty girl.
Gizzy.
Food at 6.
You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are a pretty girl. Yes, you are.
What do you want to see outside? You want to see if there's any wind?
Any wind.
Ain't no wind. Ain't no nothing.
Kiss, kiss.
Happy days. She is out. There's no what?
There's no wind at all.
No wind at all.
No.
Because we moved from one car park to another.
This is behind an ice cream shop, by the way.
I
Kelly's
can,
ice cream.
I can cope with that.
In Tintagel.
ice cream for breakfast. Oh, we got some Belgian waffles. We could get some ice cream to go on them.
Not tonight.
I'm just like complete difference to last night. Ooh. There's no noise. The van's not rocking backwards and forwards. The storm hasn't passed because it's still windy. It's just that we moved. Who's a clever boy?
Well, of course you.
More relaxed tonight, isn't it?
Well, she literally, as soon as she put the heat on, she literally went to bed. I had to wake her up to eat.
She being gizzy gumdrops there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's done so much better this time around. It's
Yeah.
weird.
Well, there's no truffle.
This isn't the first time, though. We went.
It's not the first time, but look at what she's done to my door. All my work. Gonna have to get a de-bobbler and down there. Look at that. Ugh. Cats are van life. Grrr. What are you doing? Well, there's all my boxes pulled out. Searching for a new site, just so we can find a shower. No more car parking camping for the next couple of days. Really?
If you'd like to come early, please ask us first in case there's a departure on your pit. Wi-Fi password, toilets. We don't close the toilets when cleaning over winter, so if you see a cleaning sign outside, they're still open, but we're inside cleaning. If you want more information, For catching a bus, we recommend downloading the Go Cornwall bus app for up-to-date bus times.
Join us next week. We're travelling to Padstow in Cornwall and staying on a winter campsite for a touch of luxe. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'd love it if you'd follow our journey. Cheers, guys.
Please don't let me die, Lord, in this one-horse town. Ain't no point me being here if she's not coming round. One road in and out and a single traffic light. I'll keep on walking till I reach that county line. No backward glances or second chances, I've nowhere left to go. If this town had bridges, I'd have burned them all long